Hello, welcome back. So yesterday we looked at this trigraph, didn't we? And it was aya. Can you remember this? Let's say it for me. Aya, aya, aya. Who can remember the rhyme that we did? It was aya, aya, fire. Well done, superstars. Right, today we are going to look at another trigraph. And this one is a good friend of Mrs. Parkinson's. Mrs. Parkinson likes this sound. And it's ear. Can you say that for me? Ear. 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 Well done. Say it one more time nice and loud for me. Well done. And then the little rhyme on the back is there is a mummy, a little child, and their little dog. And they've all got ears. So your rhyme for today is ear, ear, hear with your ear. Can you say that for me? I'll repeat it one more time. Hear, ear, ear, hear with your ear. Well done, one more time. Ear, ear, hear with your ear. Well done, fantastic. Right, what we're going to do is we're going to have a go at reading some of our words today that have got our sound in. So let's start with one from our rhyme. Remember, it's a trigraph. So it's 3 letters that make up one sound, and they're all very special friends in a trigraph. They all help each other out when it comes to saying a sound. So we got ear, hear. Have I got reading that one? Ear, hear. Ear, hear. Well done, fantastic. Let's have a go at this one. Ooh, we've got ear, ear, near, ear, near. Have a go at reading that one for me. Ear, near. Fantastic, well done. Right, let's have a go at, let's do 2 more. Ooh, sometimes these might come out of your eyes when you're a little bit sad. And we have got tear. Sad face. Ear, tear. Ear, tear. Can you have a go at saying this one for me? Ear, tear. Ear, tear. Well done, fantastic. Right, I'm going to try and trick you now because I'm going to put in some past tense word, which means that it ends in what 2 letters? Ed, well done. Ear, d. So, are you ready? It's got the suffix of ed on, so we've got ear, d. Ear, d. Can you have a go at saying that one? Eared, eared, feared. I feared spiders. That was a really bad sentence, but it doesn't matter. Eared, feared. Well done. Right, get your whiteboards and pens ready, or your workbooks, that's fine as well. Let's have a go now at writing some words. Let's start with this one. Let's start with tear. So we've got ear, ear. How many sounds make up tear? That's right, it's 2. Well done. So we've got ear. Let's pinch them. Ear, ear, tear. Have a go at writing that one for me. Well done. Ear, ear, tear. Give yourself a little tip for your and a little tip for your trigraph today. Well done. Tear. Right. Next word, let's use the word gear. Ooh, when I'm driving in my car, I like to change gear. G, ear, g, ear, gear. How many sounds are in gear? Let's see if you were paying close attention. That's right, it's 2. Well done. G, ear, g, ear, gear. Let's pinch those sounds. G, ear, g, ear, gear. Have a go at writing gear for me. G, ear. G, ear, g, ear, gear. Fantastic. Little tip for your G and a little tip for your ear. Right, last one. Let's do the word near. So near, far, wherever you are. Nice little Celine Dion reference for you. Far too young to know who she is. But near. You ready? Ear. Ear. Let's pinch those sounds. Ear. Ear. How many sounds make up near? That's right, it's 2. Ear. Near. Have a go at writing the word near for me now. Ear. Near. Ear. Near. Well done. Little tip for your and a little tip for your ear. Right, let's do our sound cards now. Are you ready? Ear, ear, here with your... Well done. Right, when you see this sound in our pile of sound cards, what I want you to do is shout out, ear, ear, here with your... Well done, fantastic. I've thrown a couple of set 2 sounds into this one today, just keep you on your toes a little bit. Say the sounds as you see them, and remember when you see ear, ear, shout it out. Oi, ooh, I, oh, ire, ear, ear, here with your... Well done, fantastic. Let's mix them up again. A, O, or, E, ire, O, ear, ear, here with your... Fantastic, well done. Let's do one more mix up. Ew, ear, here with your... Fantastic, well done. Right, don't forget to join in for tomorrow's lesson.